Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Warmly welcome. Hope you are watching my videos, liking them, spreading them. Those who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel. Let us look at one of the basic aspects today. The video topic is very basic. It is types of HVAC ducts. People who are already in the HVAC segment, HVAC industry, people who wish to enter, or people who are just entering, this video would be of help to you. Let us look at the types of HVAC ducts. My name is Ajaz Kazi. The ducts are basically classified into shapes, the kind of material we use, the kind of pressure application, obviously again the kind of velocity. So let us look at some of these important types of ducts in various categories. Shapes, we have one shape which is very popular is rectangular or square. It is used for low to medium pressure application. It is fabricated as per various standards. We have SMACNA, we have ISHRE, we have IS standard, we have DW standard. Standards are available. The fabrication is done accordingly. The whole aspect of fabrication standard is to have right fabrication. The strength of the duct, the joint of the duct, supports of the ducts are done properly to handle that kind of pressure. These are easy to install, right? The joints are a little difficult. They are difficult because the types of joints are different, but they have higher friction loss. So this is HVAC square or rectangular duct. You can see over here. This is how the shape is different. This is a square type. Again, points which are mentioned for rectangular are similar for square. Round ducts, they are again for low to high pressure. They can handle high pressure. They are generally used for exposed areas where you need to have some aesthetics. You don't have false ceilings. You have sometimes warehouses, right? They don't have to go for false ceiling. They're less in weight. Simple supporting because you don't have to have one support can take care of it. They're little costlier because of the fabrication. They need extra special care. Some machines required are on the little advanced type. So this is the next shape. Then we have spiral. Spiral, again low to high pressure. Again they're used for non-sealing areas, less weight, simple supporting. Again they are costlier. Then we have shape oval. Again higher efficiency. You can see because of the shape. They are low noise, less friction, smooth airflow, low leakage. They're used for again exposed ducting. You can paint these ducts. I talked about round, oval, spiral. You can paint the duct. You can have any paint on it. So aesthetically, whatever you can do because generally they are used for non-sealing areas. Then we talked about now shape material depends on the application, right? One of the material is GI. The one which is in front of it is GI, widely used, easily available, cheaper than other material. So this is commonly used in HVAC, right? Then we have SS, stainless steel, used for specific application. They have long life. They're costlier than GI, obviously. They're difficult to fabricate. GI is easier than the steel. Then we have aluminum, again used for special application. Smooth surface in all of these. They're costly, and they because of the strength of the sheet, we generally go one size higher in terms of gauge or thickness for a specific size. If the specific size, if I use for GI 24, I will use 22 in case of aluminum, just to give an example over here, right? Then we have flexible. They're used for joining air terminals. They are either insulated, non-insulated. The length of this joining has to be minimum. It cannot be meters and meters. You can't use beyond 1.5 to 2 meters. Otherwise, you will have huge pressure drop and you will find problem. The other thing is, other material is fabric. Now it is getting popular. It is easy to install. You can create different shapes out of it. They're light in material. You can provide a lot of printing, get good aesthetics because of fabric. Then we have pre-insulated ducts. So one activity of insulation gets reduced because if you use GI, you have to insulate. Here we have got pre-insulated ducts, but a specific pressure you can't have for higher pressure. Low to medium pressure you can use. They're easy to install, but they're prone to. Then we have PVC material. It is easy to install. They're used for special applications. Cost is the issue here. Hope you got the idea about ducts. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, ajazkazi.com.